Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube Best Inspiration Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you two recipes. Simple, easy and delicious. You're gonna love these recipes. I'm gonna share with you these recipes for your breakfast, or you can use them as a healthy meal. So we're gonna prepare one egg recipe and one bread. Bread, we're gonna prepare it in a pan. I'm gonna show with you the steps how to prepare this delicious and healthy bread. Stay with me, let's do it together. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and comment below. So I'm gonna try it. Let's do it together. Now we're gonna prepare our bread. Donc, dry yeast, 1.5 teaspoon dry yeast. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit warm water. Then I'm gonna let it for 5 minutes. Then take 4 cups of flour. 1, 2, 3, and here's the 4th glass. Gonna add salt, some oregano, beautiful. Then I'm gonna add some black sesame. You're gonna really love this bread. It's delicious and it's healthy. Add some shallot flakes to take this bread to another level. I'm gonna mix everything. Then we're gonna add the mix of yeast and water. Prepare on the side 1 cup of water. Now mix everything until well combined. Like that, we can have a dough. After 5 minutes till 6 minutes, now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon olive oil and continue mixing until well combined. Use your 2 hands. Then cut it on 4 pieces. Then I'm gonna cover it and let it 30 minutes. You see, after 30 minutes, double size, and preheat your pan, and it's time to cook this delicious bread. We can put it on a pan on a high medium heat, 2 till 3 minutes each side, and you're gonna have your bread, delicious and healthy bread that you can use for sandwiches or everything. Perfect. Now we're gonna prepare our omelette. So in a hot pan, olive oil, potato, finely chopped. We call it brunoise in French. Potato, after 1.5 minutes, I'm gonna add chopped garlic, to give it a flavor, the oil and potato. Just a little bit chopped onion. If you have half shallot, better. Red and yellow paprika, really chopped. Look at the colors. Now mushrooms. Mix everything. Cherry tomato. Now, time to season. Salt, black pepper, a little bit ginger powder. Now bring eggs. A little bit paprika. Pepper, black pepper, and some parsley. You can add a little bit salt depending on your taste to season eggs. So here is the result. Beautiful, delicious, simple and healthy breakfast. You're gonna love it and enjoy it. I'm sure you're gonna try it at home and give me feedback. See you next time in another recipe, and bye bye.